Hey everybody, it's Lisa from Lisa Bug Fitness and Yoga, and I have a 1 week post-op hip replacement recovery update. So let's see, I had surgery July 1st on the right hip. My surgeon, Dr. Mayer, did an anterolateral approach. So I still have the dressing on. It's on the outside of the hip. Today at some point I have the option to take off the dressing and to replace it with some gauze and tape. And then at the 2 week mark I have a follow-up with the physician's assistant, Cody. So the surgery went well. I had to get up at 2:30 in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning to report to the surgical center at 4:30, and my surgery was at 6:30 a.m. So I was the first case of the day, which I think is good because your surgeon's nice and fresh. But why do they start so early? I have no idea. But I had the surgery done at the brand new Orthopedic Institute in Chaska, Minnesota. And this is a one of its kind facilities where it's a mesh between Ridgeview Medical Center and collaborating with Twin Cities Orthopedics. So they built a floor on the top of the 212 Medical Center in Chaska, and they added state-of-the-art operating rooms and recovery rooms and prep rooms, and they just do joint replacements here at this facility. So it's just total knees, total hips, and shoulder replacements. That's it, and only Twin Cities orthopedic surgeons can practice there. So it's a beautiful place, and it just opened November of last year. In fact, it was opened after I had my total knee replacement, so I missed getting to have knee replacement done there, but it was beautiful. The staff was incredible, and the team was really spot on in terms of my anesthesia. The surgical team, the nursing team, everyone was just so great at that facility. So thumbs up there. Surgery went good on July 1st, and as I said, I'm 1 week post-op right now. And the first few days is just about keeping on top of the pain, managing pain control, because it is similar to the process of the knee replacement. Even though a hip replacement is easier than the knee, those first few days you're still going through the trauma of having, your incision, having the muscles retracted back and traumatized, having the bones cut, having prosthetics hammered into the bones, and having something in your body that is artificial to our body. And so it's a lot of trauma to go through and a lot of pain that first week, and I definitely dealt with a huge amount of pain. The first couple of days, not too bad because I still was wearing off the spinal and the anesthesia, but once that day 3 kind of hit, pretty intense pain. And now I would say it's starting to slightly diminish, but I'm still on the meds, staying on top of that, and that's been very important to my recovery. Also important is getting up and walking around quite a bit, because I felt a lot of pain if I just lay in one spot. My lower back starts to hurt, of course the hip, and I feel like my upper body's getting really strong because I'm doing a lot of tricep dips by pressing myself up and easing myself down into a chair. So yay, strong triceps and shoulders and chest muscles. Also, my left knee that I had done September 18th of last year is really doing well, helping to get me downstairs and upstairs, and it's feeling really strong. And I'm really happy that my knee has gotten to the point where it's helping me get through this hip replacement. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm just relaxing and getting a lot of sleep, trying to eat nutritious meals, and just focusing on healing in this first few days after total hip replacement. But I feel like it's going to come along at a nice pace here with my recovery, so that 5 weeks from today, I will have the left hip, total hip replacement on that left side. So that's it for now. I just wanted to share how I'm doing, let you guys know what's going on for me. And I'll post again next week on Monday at the 2 week post-op mark after my post-op appointment with Cody. Thanks everybody. Thanks for following along, and stay strong to all my knee and hip warriors. Talk to you soon. Take care.